And there we are. Whoops. Whoops. Yeah, we're there. Sound is good. Excellent, excellent. My little coworker doesn't want to be, so say hi. Or my daughter will be happy. The dog was on the stream. Hello, everybody. Hello, how are you? Do we have CB? Oh, doesn't look like CB is present. Let's refresh that. Now I think it will be. Let's try again. Yeah. Okay, cool. What else? Today we do maintenance. So I'm not sure what's the code for that. Is it learning? Not really. Maybe I need a new category. Like just OSS or maintenance. I'm referring to this thing where I group all the stream together. But I don't think so. You know, for example, if you want to know everything about 2D6, you could go there and you have like all the stream and the dates and stuff. Oh, though. That's not correct. I'll have to look because a lot of is missing. I'm assuming I'm not using the good. Oh, that's bad. That's bad. What do I have? So, do I have? Let's bring it here. Today it's maintenance day. Right? Open recent. It's been a while since I went here. I don't think I have it. If I go here, I want to check the release note. I'm assuming I have. I don't. Oh yeah, it's here. It's here. I'm a Mario. Okay. Main. Yep. Pull everything. Great. Let's open that. Ooh. There's such a big difference between when I'm on. Who's working so hard? Is it? The laptop is working so hard. The fan are running and everything. I have a lot of stuff open, but interesting. Okay, so what I wanted, so when I do the notes like this, the category, and I wonder, oh, could I ask, is he learning? I think today could be maintenance, since look boring, so, but it is OSS maintenance. But maybe unzip everything. So many different keyboards. Okay, let's have a look. So how can I Can I do that? I don't need an agent. Ask is enough. GPT-4? Yeah, GPT-4 should be good. Let's see. How do you manage that? That would be fun. I can start Nor Perfect. I was waiting for you, sir.
Bonjour. Hi.
Hey.
How are you today?
You know what? Let's put just right now OSS. I'll fix that. So start OSS. So we track that, and since Mr. Certidev arrived, let's lift off. Let's go to the cloud. Boom. With a little delay. Hello, bonjour, hi. Hello, everyone. Happy to be here today. It was a busy week, a stressful week for me. I was feeling more, let's stay under the, not the blanket, but like under the cover, work on my stuff quietly, but I don't want to lose that habit of like being with you, making progress, forcing to code and things. So I'm not stressed, but I feel uncomfortable. Let's put it that way. And I thought today, because of like, I feel like I'm losing the, like what's the word I'm looking for? I'm dropping items in the OSS project, all the projects I have, and I don't want that. I feel bad because people are using it, they're trying to deploy, it doesn't work. So I was like, okay, you know what? Let's spend today's day to structure that. So we have like a board, and I miss so much the Git Kraken board for that, but that's fine. They move on. so should I. It's been like what, 5 years now they dropped that board. So let's have a look if we can use the GitHub board or maybe a Trello board. I want that board to be public, and I want that board to be able to cover all the projects, so multiple repos. If you're new around here, I'm Frank Boucher, and for the next 2 hours we'll have some fun. It's as you can see, oh, I'm lagging. No, am I? No. Okay. Or have fun here. It's relaxed. You can ask questions. Usually nobody land on that target, but if we do, we have CB, our cloud robot, watching over us, making sure you keep notes of all the best scores and all that information, and then share. If I go here and here, after that, it's all share in the reading notes of behind my cloud. So you could go here and have like each show is archived there with like all the reading notes, the score, like who rated and stuff like that. And you know, we try to keep track of everything. And yeah. So how are you, Mr. Sorty Dev? For me this week, it was a launch week. So I think we should have like a segment. I should have like a introduction, show and tell, and then like, you know. I used to do like the little to-do in the top corner, but I'm not sure I like that. It's too tiny and I don't see it on my screen. So most of the time I was forgetting about them. So I think I should clean that up and remove that thing since I'm never using it. Yeah, so let's do that. No, little show and tell. I know it looks like an ad, but that was my week, so we'll share that. This week we had the end of summer update for Reka. Very happy. So we have now a free tier. I talked to you about that, I think, last week. So that was pretty cool. So like you could do a lot of stuff with the free tier. So the way it works is you have like a renewable $10 of credits every month, and you can do a lot of things with that. And that's why I was like making fun here. We're like, yeah, do 400 research for turtles or like Ninja Turtles. I was like, oh, should I put Ninja Turtles? Will it be like it's an official blog post? I was like, nah, maybe not. Maybe Turtle is like wild enough. And then there's the Reka Vision API, and I'm looking forward to do stuff with that. Hey, Fuel. Hello, nerds. What? And then the Reka research update. That's the API I was planning to use for the book note last week that we just kind of like scratched the surface. We had a new MCP server that is hosted. There's new parameter, and there's like a new Discord server that forced me to go there. I'm very happy to like spend more time on Discord. I've been neglecting Discord for so long, even the live coder, even my own Discord. So having that, then like it will help me go there like more frequently. And we announced like a few conferences, and I'm going here. I'm the one presenting in San Francisco, I believe. So like it's a full event thing, like bunch of little events in like a week. That's why it said a week. I think my event will be the 7th or the 8th. I will share more with you. Yeah, so this is not a stream sponsored by Reka, so I do that, like, but yeah, that was that. I also share new blog posts if you're interested about .NET. I think I already shared that with you. Let me put that in the chat, adding that to the notes. How was your week, Phil? Anything you want to share? So in that blog post, I share like in the new .NET 10, you could have scripts, no project file, right? So you, instead of like doing the project and then it runs, you could just like have like a flat file with C# code in it, then you .NET the file and it run. So that's great. So instead of having a bash script or a PowerShell script, you could have it in C#. Great. So it feels very intuitive when you're on a build machine and you have like a move logs, crunch data, like manipulate files and stuff like that. But I was curious, how can we push this? And I was like, okay, let's have some fun and let's try to call an API. And I tried different SDK. So I did try, it's very small. Wow, that's bigger, that's better. So I did try with the OpenAI SDK. I did try with the Microsoft Extension AI SDK, and it kind of work if you do basic stuff. If you do advanced stuff, the SDK start to kind of like, so it's not really the script part. Though I had like a wild thing where the same code in a program was giving a different output than the script, but I'm guessing it was just like a glitch. And so like the workaround when like those SDK doesn't work is to do a HTTP client, a raw HTTP client, but doing so because there was some limitation where the reflection was not included part of the project, like, you know, and like when you're not in the project, you're missing stuff. It was not working. So I share things and it was very interesting. I've been working with an incident at work. I suggest, why don't we let AI handle that incident instead? People didn't take me seriously for some reason. Seems AI only can automate tasks we enjoy. Hey, Shendu16, hello, welcome. There's many different project, and that's part of the thing. So thank you a lot for the follow. It's very, very appreciated. All right. Yeah, so if we go here at my GitHub repo, one of them is the URL shortener, though it's been moved to Microsoft, and that's part of the problem right now. I don't work at Microsoft anymore, so I don't have admin access. And the project is running well. We have like a few stars, a few forks and stuff like that. But like there's a lot of issues and pull requests and things. And like I have like half-baked version in my personal repo. So I need to keep track and push those things. So I want to create a board, and I'm not sure, I started this morning, should I create like a Trello board? Should I use, I think I have it somewhere. Should I use like a GitHub project, but the project will be OSS project, I don't know, maintenance, and then like have all the other projects. I want to explore. I think I would prefer staying under GitHub since all the projects are in GitHub, but I'm not sure if I will have all the feature I want. So well, let's give it a try here, and then if it doesn't work, then we'll move to Trello. And the other thing also is I want that thing to be public so people can go see it. That's very important for me because that's what I want to share. Like I want structure for me, help me where I am, where should I work on and stuff like that. But I also want people to be able to see, you know, let's say someone is trying to use the URL shortener, they're having trouble, they could go in the board and see, okay, like it's the next in line. Like, you know, Frank is working right now on this thing, and like then it will be something else. And if people want to collaborate, then they know. Hey, Dukasov, hello. Any project I can take over? You want to take over a project? Or you want to help? Hello, Dreamer. Welcome aboard, welcome aboard. So yeah, so like there's the URL shortener. We have another project that is kind of a little bit gaining in popularity, is the 2D6 dungeon. So it's a digital version, kind of dice and paper game, where you crawl a dungeon and like you explore a map and stuff like that. So it's a solo game. There's different tools that are less sexy, if a program can be sexy, but it is very used in many. Who landed? Surge Dev? That's cool. Are you the first one landing today? No, like Lurky Dev also landed. Unzip everything is used. Unzip everything, I think it's even used in the government. Yeah, they asked me to do a special version for government. It's used in the system of defense of US, and I'm not an American. So I think, and note bookmark. So I think the URL shortener, note bookmark, 2d6, and unzip everything. Though unzip everything, I don't think I will. I feel I need to, so I will include that. But like they're like I'm not. I mean I will be maintaining it. Maintaining it. How do you say that? Maintaining it. There it is. McNet. Hello, hello. How are you? Have some sleeping issues, so trying out things, and yeah, exactly. I feel I'm some issue, or you know things drop between chairs. I feel like that's the thing. So this is iced coffee, it's not anything else. You sound English native. Are you German? No, I'm French Canadian, so je parle français. I speak English only at work or with you guys. Only with you guys. I learn English late. Okay, so that's the plan of the day. And what else? So if you want anything you want to share, feel free to do it. Canadians speak English? Yeah. I would say all Canadians are speaking English, except in Quebec. Where are you based, Chandu? India. Ah. Okay, so let me. Yeah, then it makes sense. Sorry. Let's go Google Maps. So that's Canada, all of that, well, like except Yukon. So like all this is Canada, right? So all of this is English. Like the top part of the Canada, there's people living there, but like there's no big city. Like it's more villages and stuff like that. Like it's ice and like nothingness. So Quebec, it's that east part. And again, so let's cut it, half of it, because like most of the people will live around here. So those people here will speak French, and the rest of Canada, English. Well, like, here and there will be like people speaking French, and here there's definitely people speaking only English, but it's like it will be a very, very few minority. And when you're in like big city like Montreal, like I think it will be Montreal, maybe Quebec City, then even Quebec City is like, I feel like Montreal is the most multicultural city, where like you have people speaking all the languages and things like that. And usually that really helps me because my ears are used to all those different accents. Speaking of like India, at the beginning when I did start speaking and listening English, the Indian accent in English was really hard for me. But then now I'm better. Now I can understand. Though like sometimes even like just like Americans, I ask them like, can you slow down please? Yeah. I tried to immigrate, but I couldn't manage. Yeah, immigration is hard. Well, it's hard. It's hard to learn any other languages. So yeah, and French has like depending in which language you're speaking, like if you have genders and stuff like that, that complexify a lot the speaking and the writing. Like in English, for example, they don't have the feminine masculine for things and stuff like that, but in French we do. And another thing I wanted to spend time right now was like I watched some Microsoft Reactor, and find hard to understand the Indian present accent sometimes. Yeah, well, you know, and I think like the reactor, like there's a lot of different. Sorry, I'm just like clean up my glasses. I have a big smudge. I'm guessing it's like a little dog nose that gave me a kiss in my glasses, and now like every time I look in front of me, I just like very distracting. And I was about to say what? Oh yeah, so a reactor. So at the reactor, there's a lot of different speakers. They're MVPs. Like it's a channel, and let's go so people can follow. I think it's Reactor MS.
Bonjour. Hi.
Hey. I will watch who's joining. TBD Gamer. Hello, TBD. How are you? Oh, here it is. That's my video. I did a video also about the blog post I share with you. Did you stream today, TBD? Yeah, I was sharing earlier today. I'm like a bit not tired, drained or stressed a little bit. It was a big week for me. This week was like a release week and first release at the new job. Not my content, but like making sure everything is fine and stuff like that. There was a little bit of me like wrapping up, but I was just the bow, not the package itself. But I didn't want to stop the grind of like going live and working. So that's why today we're working on like finding the tool to keep track of all the open source project I have, because I feel right now I'm neglecting the URL shortener and stuff like that. And I didn't have the time at all to work on any project this week, like off camera. Did I? No, I didn't. And the little time I had, I was like, oh, let's try to do something else. And I play video games, like not games, one game, and I loved it. It's awesome, and I will continue to work to play that game. It was like, oh, it feels so good, like relax, and it was nice. So yeah, so Reactor, it's a YouTube channel of Microsoft. And there's a lot of different speakers and stuff like that. And there's like experienced speaker that did many videos, so they know how to articulate, they know what to present, they are good. But there's a lot also of like first time, like less experienced speaker, and that's hard. It looks simple when you look people, like when you watch a YouTube video that is 5 minutes, you think the person turned on the camera, did his speech, and like that's it. No, like it's probably hours of prep, and maybe like depending on the people, like many takes and stuff like that. So it is really hard. So yeah, sometimes there's that also on the Reactor. Nope, not today. It's a down day. Okay. So feel the pain, sir. You're more in the racing game, right, TBD? These days, at least. Was it racing game? Yes. Come on, McNett. No. I don't know how to spell the righteous. It's this game. Path of the Rat. I don't know how to pronounce that correctly. Rat. I'm not even sure what it means. Rat of the Righteous. That's what I play. So Dungeon and Dragon. And it's awesome. I love it. So you know what? Let's Google Translate that. You'll see live what I do so often. Okay. So yeah, I've been enjoying that game. Well, like now it's pretty Oh, maybe I should buy the extension. No, I should finish the game first. But otherwise I will be like TBD, and I will have like a lot of games. Rat. Okay. to use your computer for something useful. Well, you know. Yeah. I have a few games too. I have like a lot of games. But sometimes like, oh, like I'm too tired, like I don't want something too like you know, reflex kind of games, or like, oh, like I don't want too brain power, or if I just want to play like half an hour, 45 minutes, like, you know, usually my sessions, like the time you play in one shot, is less than an hour, like most of the time. Sometimes I will do like 2-3 hours, but a lot of time I feel like my sessions are way shorter. And sometimes like, where I was again, what I was trying to do exactly, just, you know, with this. So maybe I need a board also for the games. Okay, hey, okay, let's finish that show and tell stuff. Can I zoom that thing more? It's already the maximum. So Gitkraken, they release, oh, like, cool. I can go web, so I could go huge. I can go huge. Voila, I think we can go with Frank in the corner. So yeah, so Gitkraken, I'm a Gitkraken ambassador, if you didn't know. I have referrals. If you want like half the price or thing like that, you could do !referral or referrals. I think both send you to the nice stuff. It's a very cool tool that help you with Git command, because it's a visual and it's a tool I love. This is like, I was in the tool before. Here, Gitkraken, so I really like it. It's visual. You could see that. Well, like that one is pretty straight. That one have like branches and stuff like that, and you could drag and drop to do PRs and merge and things. And now there's AI in it to write your comments when you commit, and like your PR and stuff like that. So I really like that tool. And when there's a new version, I like to go over quickly. Compare fork, you could do compare forks too. Is it true? Yeah. All good, TBD. It was nice seeing you. Have a good Friday if we don't talk again. Okay, so yeah, so part of the recent update, what they did, they had AI, right? Now you have AI in it, and you can customize it. Meaning, if I go here, I go in preference, like AI is there, but then you can customize it. Where is it? Gitkraken AI. So right now I am like on this computer, at least I didn't do any changes. I'm using Gitkraken AI. I could disable it if I don't want. Is it too small? I'm sorry if it is. I cannot zoom more than that. Oh yeah, I can zoom more than that. I could do this. So you could enable it or disable it. And then like, but if you want, you can use your own like AI. So like right now when you start, I have like a lot of tokens based on my license. See, there's different license. But if you prefer, you could use your own one. Let's say you're running with OpenAI or something like that. You could put your key there or something like that. And now look like they added so you could run Olama. So that's cool. Olama is, if you don't know, is when you run tiny, like way smaller model, but locally. It's pretty cool, in fact. Is anyone running Olama? I know I did in the past. Right now I did ask the team I'm working on to do like a model compatible with Olama, so I could, you know, play on that. It's not in the core priority of Reka, But since they like helping communities, they're probably doing it. It's just a question of like finding time, and like if it's not possible, but like if it's worth it, like if it's too much work. It's pretty cool, Solidev. So you go through Docker. Like you can install it if you want. In my head, since like I won't use it all the time, you could have it inside Docker. So when you shut down that container, you know, you clean up a lot of resources. The model still, like, I'm assuming you will be downloading the model and put it maybe in a volume or something like that. So like that space stay used on your disk hardware, like hard drive, but at least like you're freeing up all the CPU and all the other stuff. I want to ask you on Discord about a project. Yeah, sure. Well, ask it, and maybe like you will get me so I don't want to say excited because, you know, but maybe you will find me so what would be a better word than excited? Warm up, or like and motivated for about this idea. Enthusiastic, exactly. I felt like excited felt too sexual. That maybe you know, I will by osmosis I will give you more motivation. So yeah, ping me on Energize. Like, thank you, sir. Oh man, yeah. Bug fixes. There was an issue instruction where no. Okay. Oh yeah, and they like I need like though I am working mostly solo. I don't like I'm not part of a team. We don't use Rekka at work. Oh, maybe they do. Maybe I can share that. But if I go here, I'm not logged in. Anyway, you have like a web page where you have a lot of things available. I know you can manage a lot of things there. So maybe the git crack. Oh, you know what? Let's give me 1 second. You know what? I have a screen for that. If I go there. Oh, you don't see me at all? Secret doesn't have a webcam. Interesting. Give me 1 second. Go do this. We'll just sign in because it could be part of the tool we use. To maintain everything. Okay, I think it's safe to come back. Crypto screen. Well, I was just trying to, like, you know, sometimes you have secrets that love you all, guys, but you know, sometimes it's better to hide a little bit. So yeah, so get cracking dev. Like, make it bigger. So you see all your pull requests. So there's a lot of information. So I could definitely use that to, like, across the board to see all the issue and like all those things and the one I snooze and stuff like that. And you could build Launchpad. Oh, that was the Launchpad. That was personal. Or maybe I can create one for like behind my cloud. There's insights. I didn't activate it right now because, like I said, I was not doing a lot. There's a lot of things you could do. depending on the workspace. Oh yeah, that's it now. So I was in the launch pad, but it was the workspace. You could change the workspace. So all the repo that are open inside that workspace, I will see those. And it worked also with the CLI. They have a cool CLI that I did try to run it a little bit, and the flow is great. I did a YouTube video about that. It was very interesting, but I really like the UI stuff. So you know, have 10 repo. So that could be. Does the insight works? Oh yeah, okay. So like, there's integration, there's stuff like that. And let's open it in a new tab. Let's give time to that thing, see if I have data. And like, so they have a GitKraken desktop. That's the one thing I use a lot. They have a GitLens. It's true, I start using more and more the GitLens code inside VS Code. That's pretty cool. We have a GitKraken CLI. Very interesting to do. Yeah, so you could install it, and then like the thing that is pretty cool is when you have multiple repo. Oh, I think TBD, like you're the one with like multiple repo, right? You're working on different. I know you're lurking, so don't feel forced to acknowledge or anything. But the CLI lets you kind of like work on different repos, and when you push, we'll push in all those different repo and like make the thing. So the CLI is pretty good. So like you start a work session, and then you can grab code from different repo, work on it, and blah blah blah, add comment, and then like when you push it, commit, it will push stuff all around, and like then you could create PRs and like clean up your stuff. And there's AI if you want to help you like writing your commit message and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. Make me think of something. Oh yeah, one feature they in the last release will also, you could rearrange the commit, kind of like make it cleaner. Okay, so maybe this thing will be useful, but I think I want to create a new board, a new project here. If I go in projects, because usually I don't know if anybody use projects in GitHub. Any of you Cloudies is using projects in GitHub? I usually tend to have like one project by repo. Not me. What do you use, Magnet? Do you use like a Jira or like a Azure DevOps, Trello, or nothing at all? I'm open to suggestions, by the way. Azure DevOps. I used that for a while. Does your repo also in AZ? In ADO? Well, since I'm alone, ADO. I think it's azure.dev. I forgot the URL. No? I mean, I did use that for a while. I was using it at Microsoft like every day. Yeah, okay, so you use GitHub also for your project, yeah. So let's give it a try. So we'll do a new project. Yeah, I know what's a project. Okay, team planning, feature release, Kanban, bug tracker. I don't know, a little bit of all of that. Roadmap. Is it team planning that I want to do? But I'm a team of one, but it's multiple projects. Or maybe feature release. I don't think feature release is a good thing because feature release feel more attached to a specific project. So maybe it's team planning, or maybe it's just a Kanban. Maybe it's just Kanban. Let's start with Kanban. I think we can customize it. Behind my cloud, or see, yeah, I think it's. Though people know Frank's OSS project, like Frank's Boucher, OSS projects. Hey, Yaya, Demil, welcome aboard. Will I use Blazor? For what? For what, Magnet? For the new project? Well, this is a project, like it's a meta project. Like I wanna, like it's a board to track the data of all the other project where there is Blazor, right? And the URL shortener, like the interface to create, it's in Blazor. The 2d6 dungeon is Blazor, but today I'm like, yeah. So like, this is more for me to like make sure I don't forget that there's an issue in the URL shortener that I didn't work on, kind of thing, and prioritize across different projects. Because right now I need to like look at 5 different pages, so I tend to forget about some. And even more right now, URL shortener, since you know it's on Microsoft side and I don't have full access. So like there's like an extra layer here of like of things that I don't want to say. So backlog could be cool. Ready. All right. Thank you for the follow. Yeah, Demil. Very appreciated. Very appreciated. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, I think let's give it a try. So add an item here. Okay, so more deployment options in the note bookmark. How can I do that? If I do... Oh, I'm hiding it. Let's go in the other corner. Start typing, create an item, or type the number to select a repository. Ah, okay, cool. So the number of that was 59. So if I do 59, yeah, so, okay, so maybe I think I need to, maybe in the settings, project. Like I said, maybe the GitHub repo is not the best for that. Maybe I'll fall out on Trello. I just thought, you know, since all the projects are in GitHub, maybe I could use that. Manage access, priorities, size, estimate, date, project settings. I thought more option, visibility. Oh no, this is a public. This is a public thing. Oh, that was, wait, what? How do I assign specific project detail? Ah, oh, wait, what? Settings. Project settings. Okay, that project is now visible. But I don't think I have... Do I have private project? I don't think so. I think they are all public. Okay, so that's not what I wanted. I wanted to... Maybe it's a number of the repository. Well, like, repo don't have stuff, but I think it's just like here, project details. Can make it bigger. Short description. Oh, that's not it. Ah, I was just pounded. So now I could do notebook mark. There it is. Ah, see? Okay, so now I want there's more than that. Why don't you show me? You show me the closed one. Okay. Interesting. Why don't you show me this one? Oh, maybe because I start working on it? Because it was a sign? So those are the backlog. Yeah. Cool. Ah, I love that. Yeah. So we'll definitely, yeah. That I love that. Love that. So now I can have like all the projects. Can I? Okay, can I? If I do this, the thing is, can I do AZ? Yeah, so AZ. What? Yeah, because it's a fork. Oh no, okay, it's there, but it's a fork. Okay. Yeah, so I will have to do that too. I did I did search to one of my problem right now is I used to manage this repo. As you can see, I'm the last one, right? Got published 4 months ago. Time flies. But I don't have access anymore to that as an admin. I did talk with the admin, and what we will be doing is I will be pushing regular PR, and like when I say regular, maybe like once a month or something, like, or less, and they can do that. So I need to bring those issues. That was kind of like my planning, my work. And there's that there's stuff in here that was created, like even you, I think Shirley Dev had stuff in there. Like there was so many different collaborators. So I was trying to see if I could import, instead of like copy pasting all the issue, how I could import that. What, the URL shortener is the one you, what? What? That URL shown? Yeah, it's the one you contribute. Lots of ideas for. No. Like everything is still there. Like I think, but. So Microsoft, like they asked me if I was interested and I said yes. So they took the project over, they package it, so now it works with Azure Communication Services. It's used in different clients are using it, and I have people reaching out. That's why when you look at my profile now, I have a sponsor, and like, by the way, if you want to sponsor, feel free to do it, because like I do that for free, all that open source stuff, so like everything is there, but like there's no work done on it because right now it's not useful. No, it was my idea. I started that project before I joined Microsoft. Well, yeah, so maybe I will clean those. Sorry, Dev. But yeah, so that's my version, right? That's my fork. I forked my own repo because that original one is not mine anymore. So I will be working in my repo and doing PR to the other one. But like there's a lot of activity. So right now I'm wondering, say for example, multiple custom domain. I think that one is a good idea, or like could be a good idea. So one idea would be to integrate several domains. I'm not sure how to achieve that, but that could be cool. No, why would I do that? Sorry, Dev. No, it's used. It's part of the documentation now and everything. No, it's fine. I can do my own. Like worst thing is I will just like my fork will just like have his own, will become his own thing. Right? So I could change, instead of like AZ URL shortener, it will be like, I don't know, with an E. You know, AZ. I don't know. Create a better competitor. No, it's open source stuff. Like I didn't make any money for it, right? I created that because I wanted to have like a way to show short URL when in my video, and I had fun with it, and like it was a cool project. Like I was interviewed by Scott Henseman about it. Oh, by the way, like Scott Henseman is on .NET Live show next week, and I'm a host too. I think I'm a host, yeah. And like there was a lot of collaborators. Here you are, Mister. Well, like your younger you is there. There was a lot of collaborators, so I don't want to lose that. I think it was it got me very happy to have everybody working together. For me, like that was exciting. Like I created something and then like it got used, and even like Microsoft said, oh yeah, that thing looks nice. It's still a very tiny little project, right? If we look the original, like it's not big. Like there's 700 forks, 500, close to 600 stars. Like it's nice, but like it's like if you look at the VS Code or like, you know, or Python or like those open source projects, those projects are used. It was just like, you know. Okay, so I think what I want to do is I want to create I don't know how to do that. How do I connect? Because it looks like I cannot. Can I? Because I'm not the owner, right? So I cannot. So that URL shortener here, whoops, is, yeah. So can I do this? And then can I do... Oh, I could do this. And yeah, so I can do this. Yeah. You see that? Oh, lost it. So I successfully connect the Microsoft board to my thing. Well, to my eyes too. Like to my eyes, the little Frank internally is like, whoa. Of course, it's awesome. But like in the grand scheme of the, you know, like in the world, like that's a tiny little project, right? I should keep my job. It won't pay my bills. That's what I mean. Okay, so that's cool. So now we have that. So like I could add multiple custom domain. Cool. Oh my god. Redirect the wrong URL. Yeah. Yeah. I will remove the zoom, okay? Okay, so that's cool. Oh, I'm happy though that I was able to do that, because that was one of the part I was like, nah. Okay, so this is okay, version contributor wrong. What? The only thing also is, unfortunately, I cannot manage those things. Turn up the sound. Ah, yeah. Good one. Whoa! It's awesome. It is awesome. Yeah, see, I cannot close the issue. That's one of the problem I have, is like I cannot inform the people, like, you know, like I won't change, like I won't lower the permission. If you don't have enough permission in your subscription, we'll have to do something different. But I cannot close that issue. I can just add like, okay, let's close that issue. Okay, what else can we bring? Manifest for Azure function fail, add table point endpoint. What? Uh, okay, so that look like, so this, let's bring that to our that look like a legit one. What the look, so we can I, okay, let's bring that one here. Let's bring that one, come on, there. Cool. Issues. No, I want to go in this one. The real one. Well, the real one. Import Azure Storage. Clicks empty. Oh yeah, that one. So 575, I mean. Yeah, and that one I needed two, I think. Missing duck for running locally. I feel like that's me. Yeah. Created by F. Pucheros. Well. Ambiguous API model. What? There are several instances where the API models contain domain models where they shouldn't. No clear conversion between the API models and the domain models. Yeah, it's true. Update function takes a short entity which inherit from. It's hard to know what needs to be sent to the function without bringing the storage SDK. I think I fixed that in the new version. So let's not bring that one yet. I did try to do that. It was not working, but now there's a new version. Let's not bring that right now. That, I think it could be interesting. See, I did have, like, at some point used Trello. Yeah, I think that one could be interesting. I know there was some other people, so it's okay. So cool, we have that. So I think that was one of, was it one of yours, sorry, Dan? No, because it says, me book, redirect, wrong URL, feature request, create a QR code. Oh, that was someone who did that. It was pretty cool, but it's using it like a service, and I was like, no. Was it on that one? I think that person did all the work. Yeah, I think it's that. Yeah, I think that was it. But like we closed it because like Yeah. Anyway, that was a cool idea, I think. Oh, sorry, Dev. Here it is. Oh, look like I deleted your issue. Oh, was the yeah, creating stuff. Cool. Okay, so then in review, I guess PRs are in review, right? Let's put that. I will have to reproduce them in my version. Can I do that? Why don't I see anything? Oh, there it is. Okay, so here. Oh, so did I already brought them? What? Merge upstream. What? Did I bring that? If it's merge, I don't want it. Yeah, it's merge. Delete from project. Okay, so no, I didn't bring them. Okay, so I won't solve those things. So here in review, let's do this. I want this, this, and this. Where is the? It's here. Cool. Ah, I love it. That's great. That's great. So we'll have like a full across the projects thing. I love it. And then I can create work item. So if I open it, so I open, okay. Can I open the new tab? Okay, I like, because it's not mine, I'm guessing. If I go here, so this is on Notebook Mart. Yeah, okay, so because it's not mine, I go and open on the other page, but Notebook Mart, it's mine, so I'd open it here. Okay, that's cool. I mean, I will be able to share more content. I will be able to say, hey, I'm working on that on my repo and stuff like that. Love it. Love it. That's good. Okay. So now we have a little bit more items. How are we doing in times? Pretty good. I need to go to the butcher. Yeah, sure. Fine. Well, you are already with the butcher, since my name is Boucher and it means butcher. You're fine. You were there all along. Will I land? Okay, okay, so now we did that. So we did the URL shortener, so let's close that. So that was the... No way, I did land. Oh no, that was Groversaurus. I thought I landed. Good for you, Mr. Digital Friend. I don't know if you're a Mister though, but yeah. Okay, so we did that. Let's go 2d6. Let's go 2d6. Dungeon up. Oh yeah. So that was the Fluent version, that's a real one. Adventure should have a name. Yeah, that's a real one. Why are you showing me all the close one? Like I feel like that's wrong. Is there a way to report some feedback? Okay, I think combat is playable, but that's 115. Yep. What? Sub issue will be automatically added to your project. Prefer disable? Click the button below. No, I want this. Oh, I love that. That was also a thing where doing the Trello part, I had to bring power-ups to like have like sub item and stuff like that. Okay, what else? Yeah, that was a weird one, but let's bring it. It's important, I think. It's number 114. And then we have implement the door details. What did that mean? What was that? So we can close this. I don't need that issue. We don't need that. Okay. Oh yeah, this. Yes, of course. So 113. Different doors. Just doing this get me motivated to go back in those and so I'll just like, yeah, let's just do it. I really enjoy coding the 2d6 dungeon stuff. I'm not good at it, but I have a lot of fun doing it. Remove or fix the seat. Oh yeah, we need to do that. So 112 definitely. That's kind of like it needs to happen. That was, if I'm not mistaken, those were all the one with triage. Like there's like the V.2. Yeah, so run locally with Docker, we need that too. So that was 91. Yips. So all those with the version. Can I do this? Will I have... Oh, those are the two left? Maybe. Okay. More logic. Back to the... Oh yeah, that would be cool, but yeah. Okay, so we're good with that. Okay, so cool. Man, so much done in the backlog. My God. Okay, and I did say I want to bring... Where are the other projects? Hello, scroll. Did I lost my computer? It's not like it's the memory is used at 74%. I could install more games. I don't have a lot of game on this computer. I do have a few. Network. So what? Oh, now it's the big one. Okay. Okay. So I don't know why earlier that laptop was just like the fan were running as a crazy. So how can I not? Page unresponsive. Ah, it happens. Okay. So I said I want to unzip everything. No, I don't. I'm not sure. like there's anything to do here. Though it is running. I mean, I could update the version. It's definitely running old function stuff. I'm scared to update it. Stop monitoring folders. What? Oh, that's interesting. Oh. I'm ashamed to reply. I didn't notice that. Not 1 year, 2 years after. Told you, like, that's why. Oh man, now like I don't know, possible to add unique folder name for the output container are not overridden. I mean, yeah, just fork it and do your stuff. I wish. So what version of that is running? Dev container? What? I did dev container? .NET 6? Oh my god. We'll have to upgrade. Oh man, even that. This is so old. I'm not sure if it's working. Well, maybe I should archive it. Let's not do anything rush now. Let's just keep it that way. I think that was it, right? So we have URL shortener, we have 2d6 dungeon, we have note bookmark, and we'll have other projects if we do other projects. Yeah, so I think we're good to go.
Yay!
I landed.
Yay!
I landed. Yeah, I know.
Yay!
And with so many people, that was the drop where everybody was landing. Sorry, Dev. I think I even have like a better score than you. If I ask, no, you're lurking. If I ask about the scores, well, one thing also we can add the CB in it because I know there's stuff that I want to do. Yeah, Sturdy Dev, you had 671, and I just had 78. But Lurky Dev, so the U now is 92. So you're still kind of leading today's game, but it's not the real you. It's like digital friends. Does it count? I don't know. I don't know, man. I feel like it doesn't count. Okay. Oh yeah, there's the recall. Like, yeah, but those are my regular projects, I think. What? Where are we? So, like, even the Behind My Cloud project, well, I could add that one, but I don't know if I have any stuff in it. What I was looking for. The Until could be cool. It's in MicroPython. But I feel like that's more personal. I'm not sure will interest a lot of people. Where is the one? What I'm looking for? Oh yeah, I'm looking for Behind My Cloud. I saw it earlier. There it is. Do I have a pull request? Okay. But I don't have any issues. I could be refreshing those images. And add the new category. So okay, let's create an issue. So we'll add it to the board. So OSS maintenance, is it a good thing? OSS project maintenance, OSS projects. What would be a good category? I think OSS maintenance is like, or maybe it's just stream. The category is stream, so it's about the stream, but it's not about the stream. It's about the OSS projects. I think maintenance. Still, maintenance is boring. What he's doing is like am I now like Clarkio and like fixing my washing machine and dryers? Though it was cool to see him try to fix those things. Yeah, okay, let's keep OSS maintenance. I like that. Okay, so let's add this category for the stream that are a little bit more meta. You know, stream about the stream and maintaining and stuff like that. So I will definitely assign that to myself, and it is an enhancement. Yeah. And it's for the project. It is, oh, I don't have any project for that. Cool, so I can create that. And I want to create a new one, and it's missing stream for notebook mark. If we go here and behind my cloud, if we go project, and if we go here, notebook mark. And that's a bug, man. That's a bug. So now we can add those. If I go this, I go do that, and I do behind my cloud. Missing stream, excellent. And add new category. Yeah. So this is ready. That is ready. We can work, in fact, on that today since we don't have a lot of time to do anything else. That's public, right? If I go project 51, view 1, can you confirm to me that this is visible by someone? Anyone? Can you see that? Cool. So we'll have to. Oh, that's great. I don't know. I think I'm happy to that. Not sure I like the name of that project though. F Boucher's OSS Project. F Boucher OSS Project. Feel weirds. Why I see the little. Okay, it is open, right? How do I do that? This. Yeah, cool. We can do stuff. Great. So it is there. Okay, so I think we try to fix right away the notebook mark and the maintenance stuff. I think we do that right away so I can close. We won't use you, Mr. Ryder, today. Oh, we had upload plugins. No, I'm not doing update plugins. What else can I free? Okay, so Git Kraken behind my cloud. It was already open in VS Code. Cool. And oh yeah, it was that command. I can run it. So let's open that in the terminal. So grep the category ne. Okay, let's. Oh, look at that! It worked. I like grep is so cool. Grep is so cool. What? JetBrain was updated. Okay, I didn't ask you to update it. Look like I have URL shortener with like a capital U and a lower U and the other way around, in fact. Sublime. Commit. Oh yeah, commit to memory could be cool to continue to do that. I start learning a little bit more TypeScript also, so maybe commit to memory or something like that could be cool. Oh, we have maintenance. Ah, that's the problem. It's uppercase, lowercase. No, no. No. It should be just lowercase. So, project. Damn it. Ah. Snote bookmark. Whoop. Bookmark. That said, how did I? So okay, yeah. So we're definitely working on that right now. In progress. Cool. So that, but if I look in my repo, So I did put it this way in the URL. So maybe should keep it that way. Or should I rename it with like this? Damn it. That's the problem. That's the problem. Okay, how do I fix that? I want to do this, I think, and it will be change the lower note bookmark by capital note bookmark, and that it will be case sensitive. So that looks one I want to change. Category, I want to change that one. Category, I want to change that one. Category, I want to change that one. Great. That one. No. Though it could. Yeah, I mean, go for it. Yeah. Cool. So now, if I look here, now it's like this, like that. Cool. Excellent. Excellent. Love it. Oh, is it? I noticed also lower U like this and this. We should change that. You know, let's fix. You know, while we're at it, let's fix it. So let's go this. Say I use AI, standardize the notebook mark. Cool. Commit. Oh, I should have created the branch, but it's too late. Can I? Yeah, let's direct to it. I don't want to do that here. So now what I want to do is the oh yeah, I want to make sure which one is which. So I need to go here in project, so I can close this here, close that. In projects, URL shortener is this one, and it's all lowercase. So what I want to do now is do again this and this, and it was with the capital U, right? Oh, and also a capital S. Oh wow, there's a few. Oh, that I don't care. Category. That one I care. So let's change it. Okay, cool. Okay. Great. Let's do that. Add, update. Yeah. Excellent. What else? What else did we found? Oh, there was maintenance also. Yeah, I need to find those. because I think we can change it for OSS maintenance and then we'll be good. Oh yeah, URL again. Oh, this one is just URL shortener instead of like AZ URL shortener. Interesting. Yeah, change that. Cool. One more. Excellent. One more. Okay. Now I want to search for maintenance. What? What? That's so cool. Global board. It's, you know, I love it. It's been a while since 2020 I'm trying to have like a board. GT, you need to land because we all landed. Oh, that was close though. No, it's not true. We didn't all landed.
Bonjour. Hi.
Bonjour, bonjour. I'm okay today. You know what? I started my stream saying that I was feeling kind of like meh, and now I feel good. No pressure. No pressure. No, like don't feel forced to land it. But no, so I felt this morning streaming. I was like, no, I want to stream, even if I'm not feeling that great, just because I think, you know, I need to do it, and I'm happy because I feel better. So you did help me, chat. Okay, so let's go back here in the project. I don't see maintenance. So maybe I need to add one. Just like we have learning. But instead of maintenance, it will be OSS maintenance. I think that's what it will be. Oh, but that's another one, right? That's another bug. So now we should push that. Right. Backlog. Yeah, missing bookmark. Yeah, and we did a few others. So, okay, so if we go here and then we can create a PR. So that's why I like this. Oh, I didn't create the branch. Yeah. So we can just like push it. Boom. And now it's there. Now I could check the issue here on GitHub and have my issue. Do you want to set GitHub as the default issue tracker type? Yeah. So now I could see add the new category, and I create a branch for this issue. Perfect. From main, yeah. I love it. So now I have it. And I didn't need to go on GitHub. I can stay in my Gitkraken thingy. That's why I love it. I wanna land and beat. Today the best score is Lurky Dev with 98, by the way, GT. And after that, I think that like the human, I'm the one leading with 78 or something like that. So that's your pressure. You need to beat 78, and it will be me. Like if you beat me. The other cloudies today are of kind of chill. Okay, So we're here. I think we want to create a new, so I'm keeping that. If we look here, maintenance, let's open this. I think I want to rename this. Instead of maintenance, we'll go and we'll call it OSS Maintenance.
Yay!
Did you land it? I have so many bad words that I want to say. Booyah! Booyah! Man! Well, like, what?
Fantastic! Oh, fantastic!
I don't know how you manage that. My work is done here. Yeah, no kidding, man. Every stream. And you don't like. Are you cheating? Do you have like a special something, or it's pure luck? Man, it's incredible. It's really awesome. So it will be OSS Maintenance, and the code will be. Oh, I could use make me just maintenance, but I shouldn't. Or OSS maintenance. If I do maintenance, yeah, that's good. Maintenance, maintenance is good. My work is done here. Yeah, that's cool. So now I can add an extra project. So if I'm not mistaken, it's like this. And now I do ID, and it's right. Cool. Setting up. Do I need setting up like a dash between setting it up or not? I never understood that rule, that grammar rule in English, and so many more. Setting up, I don't feel it. I don't think I need. Do I need to? I think, yeah, I feel better this way. Setting up, tools, boards, and other things. The link will be this board. What's the forgot the key to get the Emoji. What's the key to have the emoji? Control dot? No. Control point dot? No. I don't know. Peak. That's good. Anyway. Could take a screenshot of the maintenance, but like, you know, let's not try to make it more sexy than it is. It's just maintenance. That's good. So yeah, can I run that locally? It's been a while since I think I can. Forgot how to do it. Docker file. TBD is back. Yeah, you need to land 2 TBD. So look like I don't have. You know what? Let's just do this. I'll do that. Add OSS maintenance project page. Excellent. Commit. We'll push that. Yeah, do this, and then we can do a PR. Oh yeah, there was already something. So we can merge this to main. Let's do this. Voila. So let's merge this to main. Start a pull request to main from. Yes, that's what I want to do. Excellent. Create a pull request. Let's go see that on GitHub. Oh, it looks fantastic. Let's merge this. And let's go see the in action. When this is, oh, like we can already see that URL shortener now is fixed. Though I didn't know URL shortener was there. But note bookmark should be fixed, right? Ah, that's more like it. I wish I could fix that HTML thing. Maybe I can. Frank, it's code. Of course you can. I'm assuming like I need to put some like style in it, and I'm really bad at it. But I don't get it. I mean, it's fine. Though I would prefer that the date didn't wrap up and this long thing wrap up. Is there like a... Oh, let's ask Copilot. Oops. What? No. It's not this. This? No? What? Let's ask Mr. Copilot, GPT-4. What's white space, no wrap? Okay, let's give it a try. So I'm guessing it's, what is it? CSS? No, it's style. What was that? What was that? What was that sound for? What was that sound for? What did happen? Did I miss? Oh, it was a first time chat. Hello, Yash. Welcome aboard. Not sure. What was that alarm for? Well, that's a cool icon. TBD, where did you get that one?
Yay!
Is it yours? TBD game. Oh, it's yours. That's cool. Love it. Pretty cute. Oh yeah, I can do stash. Can I stash this? Voila. So now I could move here, do a pull, and then pop. Excellent. And I'll do this and do that. Well, it works? No idea. Parrot, hello. One of my favorite games is Dr. Robotnik. Is it like a? I feel like it's the. Is it the Nintendo thingy? Genesis. Or watch without sound to not be in trouble. I say that and put back the sound. Okay. That game? TBD? What was that, sir? Yup. Like, that was the game that TBD loved. It's a very recent game with a retro vibe, isn't it? I'm back. Is everyone believe Frank? Yeah, indeed. Recent, yeah. I was just trying to make you look younger, TBD. I was trying to be nice, man. So now we should have maintenance, by the way. I should go. Oh, that's cool. So now we have OSS maintenance. Nice. And it didn't work. What did we not do correctly? What did we forgot? Yeah, it should be this. I can remove this. Yeah, I didn't forget anything. Oh, I was missing the pound. There. Well, you know. Like 3 is the charm. Yep. Well, it was just like a recent game with a retro vibe. So now we still have a wrap up here. A wrap up, a wrapping happening. So my wrap didn't work. Control Shift J to show the stuff. If I go element and then I point this thing. Oh, it's not there. Oh yeah, it's true. I remove it. I thought I had it back. I did it just for that one. Okay. Oh, Frank, come on. Why still? It's still not there. Is it? Or maybe it's here, but it's not working. Nope. Oh, maybe. And the ed. Yeah. Oh, style date. Wait, what? Oh, I put that. Can I put maybe 90? Oh, you know what? I should try here. What if I put... I don't feel it. It's a lot is missing. Can I put this? Yeah, so 95 would work. So I could do change this. before I push. Where is the no wrap? I did remove that, right? Yeah. It's not there anymore. Oh no, it's there. It was in Node bookmark. I don't need that anymore because we have this. And I somehow didn't see it. Did I saved? Save. Okay, because okay, so push. Cool. Commit. Okay. That will thank you for the follow, Tony Dev. Tony Dev. Are you the Tony I know? Are you the Tony I know? Tony Dev. Do I know you personally? Did we chat? Did you write a book? So the missing, that's done. That's done. So now we're just like messing around. That's cool. I'm pretty happy with this. So we can close this. Now action, are you still? Okay, cool. Let's have a look. A refresh. Look at that. Isn't it wonderful? No more wrapping in the dates. Love it. Love it. Okay, so let's go up. So now we could go maintenance. Voila. We've been doing maintenance streams since 2020. June 2020. It's been a while. Let's create a new WebAssembly front end. I'm not sure why this is maintenance, but GitHub maintenance looking for a PR. Get a PR, like a PR. Okay. That's cool. Oh yeah, and the thing I forgot is this. Now we have OSS. I wish, like, yeah, that's good. The board, and then that opens the board. Love it. That was a good stream. Last chance to drop if you're interested. I'm about to wrap it up. The one thing I have a new chair, it's great, but if my t-shirt is not tucked in my pants, it go up and up because there's a nice lumbar cushion. Robosaurus 80, but sorry to have JT just like win again once more, and he's pretending he's not cheating. That's very unfortunate. So let's stop this so we'll see the score, and while I'm hidden behind, let's go see who is streaming today. This is so tiny. Who's streaming today? Did the show notes are showing up? Okay, it's just very, very slow.
The Journey Jams.
Best score was GT Sum again. Big loser was a bot. Luckiest was GT Sum, no kidding. Super participant, 30 real bot. That was great. That was a great stream. Really happy about it. And I'm just trying. I think we could raid that big gamey. I think could be cool. Unity dev game. That could be nice. What do you think? Let's raid. Let's stay with me. We'll raid him. And yeah, let's do raid. Did it work? Yeah, it did work. Cool. So with that, I will say, have a good weekend. Here it will be half rainy, half sunny, so I'm not sure we'll go outside, but I will definitely give it a try. And see you next week. Bye, everybody. Have a good weekend.